My name is Vijay and I'm going to be your instructor on this ASP.NET course. ASP.NET Core is a free and open source web framework developed by Microsoft. Environment. Open your Chrome browser and we need .NET Core SDK and search in Google, download .NET Core SDK and in first link click it on download.net and download .NET Core SDK and your system. We are going to use Visual Studio Code Editor as a code editor. You can download from Google, download vscode and enter, and here in the first link download Visual Studio Code. Download VS Code and enter your system. Open your command prompt and I'm going to keep my project in desktop, cd desktop, and create new folder mkdir web app and cd web app. And to create our ASP.NET code we need to type .NET new, and here are the various project you can create: console application, class library, WPF application, unit test project, ASP.NET Core empty, web API, etc. We are going to create a ASP.NET web API. So .NET new web API and enter, and project will be created. And go and type code and dot. When you enter code space dot, it will directly enter to your Visual Studio Code. When you tap enter, a Visual Studio Code will be opened in, and here is in project structure. Here is controller, object, properties and setup, programs, and there is a weather forecast default class. And go to in terminal and type .NET what's run and hit enter, and it will start a project. And here is the project listening project, and copy it localhost 5000 and in your Chrome enter it. You enter localhost 5001, it will show nothing. We're building all ASP.NET Core web API, which means we're building for all, we are building backend, and our frontend will be Angular or React. So now we are focused on building a ASP.NET Core with API. So when you enter localhost 5000, there is no view. With API there is no views, so we need to create a swagger so we can view our controls, our inputs. So to install our swagger we need to go in the VS Code, and we need to stop this running project by Ctrl C, and it will be stopped, and type .NET add package soas .NET Core and hit enter, and it will enter the and enter the soas vocal asymmetrical message. Soas vocal asymmetrical will be installed, and we need to change version for this. So version must be 5.0.0 minus RC4 and save it, and restore it. .net restore and hit enter. And our Swagger version has been restored. And now go to in setup instead of, and here in public void configure service, here we need to add our Swagger. So service dot add Swagger chain x goes to x dot Swagger doc version 1 new open API info new open API info and curly braces, and we need to here add its reference. So ctl dot and using Microsoft dot open API modules, and here title is equal to our project name with app API, version is equal to our version is version 1, and description is equal to test, and here is semicolon, and here is semicolon, and save. Now go to in config. We need to configure here also. So here app dot use Swagger and semicolon, and app dot use Swagger UI c goes to c dot Swagger endpoint URL is to slash Swagger slash version 1 slash Swagger dot json comma our project name web app API and semicolon here and here. Now save it, and in terminal type dot net watch run and hit enter, and go to the Chrome browser and refresh it, and in your type slash Swagger and hit enter. Look, this is our Swagger view. Here is weather forecast is our controller. Here is weather forecast is control, and is in is here is weather forecast controller, and here is a gate method input, and here is a gate.